sour, baby. Running out of steam every day, be the same. Living like this, testing all my patience. Need a bit of you every time I drink. Like a love,
I know.
like a love. They all want something now. I don't got the time to go fuck around. See my eyes, I'm on the bags. I don't rest. I might be a Nike fan. On my checks. Headed for the love light. They just hype. It's not overnight. I think my fam on my spine. Getting sliced like a waffle.
Yeah, the waffle's done. It's just good. Whoa. Waffle and toast. Okay, after I made dinner, or not, after I made brunch for my family, I am going to do a quick little workout. My browser. So I like to turn on just like any cardio, full body workout, and then I go into Spotify and I play music on top of it so I don't have to listen to like her music or her talking. So I'll just mute it and then go into a really just pump up playlist. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. An hour later. Post-workout smoothie. I like to have a protein smoothie of some sort right after my workout. Okay, it's been like my smoothie. I like to add some frozen berries. It's weird, but I like to put celery in my smoothie. It actually tastes really good. And then I like to add some frozen spinach and a scoop of vegan protein powder. Yeah, just keeping it really light, simple, and I will show you the final product.
I can't help but fall in love with you. Can't help but love the way you move. I can't help but try to make you feel the way. Make you feel like you deserve to. Girl, I know your last name would desert you. You don't gotta worry, I won't hurt you, but it hurts you. I'm going at you every day and every night. When you're one call away from being right by my side. Now, girl, I know you're saying me and you talk about it. I ain't never gonna let you in, don't you ever doubt it. Can you say what's on your mind? Sit down and let's talk. Take all the stress off that we get from every day. Trying to be good, just like that we should, but it doesn't work anyway. One day let's go out, one day let's show out, so I can go back to my friends. Say that you're so great, I'll leave it on one day, but I hope that this never ends. Baby, I want you, do you want me? Say I love you, do you love me? I say I need you, do you need me like I need you? Baby, I want you, do you want me? Say I love you, do you love me? I say I need you, do you need me like I need you? Will you be mine? Give me all of your time, baby. Will you be mine? 'Cause I need you here. Will you be mine? Give me all of your time, baby. Will you be mine? 'Cause I need you here. Call me anytime in the day or night. It doesn't matter to me. I'll be by your side no matter what. What the price? It could be anything. Don't know what to do when not around you. I need you here with me. Baby, can you
This is my first time making tuna salad with Greek yogurt. It's so good. No mayo. I'm gonna put that in my salad. Just making kimchi fried rice. Okay. Anyways, back to my salad. Add some of these. Whatever.
Baby, I want you. Do you want me? Say I love you. Do you love me? Say I need you. Do you need me like I need you? Will you be mine? Give me all of your time, baby.
Okay, so far I added cabbage and carrots with the chicken, and some green onions. So I'm gonna cook this down for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my cauliflower rice in about 1 to 2 minutes. And then I'm also gonna add some bok choy, soy sauce, a little bit of pepper flakes for a kick, and egg whites. So I will show you the final product. Oh, and I want to mention, this is the rice that I use. I really like it. I got this at Costco in a pack of like 5 or 6. And it's just rice cauliflower. It's super easy. You just pop it in the microwave. But when I make fried rice, I just kind of add it without microwaving it. And I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, those are the nutrition facts. It's really not bad. This whole thing is only 60 calories, so pretty good. This is the final product.
I can't help but fall in love with you.
We're at Safeway. Gonna grab some groceries for tonight's barbecue. And of course it's raining. Better? Mm-hmm. More? That's good. Okay.
I put a lot more on this, like the end.
Okay, right now I'm gonna marinate the chicken. And for the marinade, I'm gonna do kind of like a lemony garlic marinade. So, add some lemons, garlic, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, honey, parsley, and salt. And then I'm gonna go outside. Take some of these rosemary plants off. I'm not sure which ones are good to pick. I'm just gonna. Oh, it smells so fragrant. Okay. So I'm gonna make this marinade and let the chicken sit for a couple hours until we grill it on the barbecue. Okay, now I'm gonna prep all the veggies for the grill. No. Amanda, what are you eating? It's udon. Just getting the house ready. Outfit.
wrist. Girl, you're ballin' like Curry with the flick of the wrist. Watch it splash. Watch it splash. Girl, I'll be with you till our final days. Now that's a long journey, I promise it pays. I know it pays. Baby, I want you. Do you want me? Say I love you. Do you love me? Say I need you. Do you need me like I need you? Baby, I want you.
Whenever you cook with eggplant, you always want to make sure you salt them beforehand and let them sit out, or else they will not cook. You want to take out all the excess water. Eggplant hacks. I love me some eggplant. All right, all the food is prepped. We're gonna grill some bread on the grill as well. Chicken has been marinating for like 5 hours. Kimbap. We're eating dinner outside. Is there propane in that?
Raining.
Ooh, it's too bad.
We didn't do outside anymore?
Yes. Interesting. I'm gonna grill some Korean corn dogs or air fry them.
Keto plant.
Right up there. There's some milk. Hi everyone. Welcome. Hi. Hi. Come here. Hi Bree. Oh, hi Bree. Bree, show them your trick. Bree, high five. Please, high five. Oh! Yay! You're so smart. Look at all the food. Some potatoes. Thank you. I got it from here. Yeah, thank you. Okay, we brought the party inside. Look at all this food. I'm so hungry. Let's eat, y'all.
Oh, those are so.
Banana nut. You're gonna like it.
Okay, half. Anybody?
You're gonna want both halves. Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow.
Oh, good.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Wow. Really good.
Good.
UFC. Look at this guy waiting for a treat. I know. He's like, I've been sitting this whole time. Get it out. I don't like it. Leo. Leo. Sit. Sit. Let's go.
What is wrong with you?
What did we do today?
Love each other.
Why do you have a bruise on your lip?
I was working and feeling airplanes, and then I smacked the gas thingy on my face. Oopsies. Yeah, but today, guys, we're having such a fun time here. We're just loving each other. We got to change the oil on the Harley. Let me just say this: it's a little more difficult than the Suzuki back at my place. Both very fun. Motorcycles are an amazing thing. If you definitely want to ride, take a course, learn how to ride, and you'll be in for a ride. You know what I mean?
Alright, anyways.
Yeah.
I just wanted to say, I know this vlog was like everywhere and really random, but we are wrapping up the vlog on this fine Saturday night. As you may know, we had a barbecue party with a couple of our friends, and it was really fun, and we just spent the night eating and laughing and playing games. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Say bye to my vlog.
Alright, see you guys later. You know, my name is Justin Huang. We are signing out today. 3, 2, 1. Hey vlog, what's up? This is John Choi. Yeah, I just spilled green tea all over myself.
Okay, don't show my butt.
But it is green tea. It is.
Wait.
It is.